Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to pair your Suunto Spartan with your iPhone. First, let's get your devices ready. Make sure your Suunto Spartan watch has the most current software. Also, confirm your iPhone is updated to a recent iOS version for the best experience. Next, download and install the official Suunto app from your iPhone's App Store. Finally, double-check that Bluetooth is turned on for both. Now, let's initiate the connection. Open the Suunto app on your iPhone and tap the watch icon in the upper left corner to go to the sync view. On your Suunto Spartan, access the settings menu, scroll to connectivity, and ensure that discovery mode is activated. The app will then automatically begin searching for your watch. Once your device appears in the list, tap its name to proceed with pairing. It's important to note that school-issued devices often have administrator restrictions. This means you might be blocked from deleting history directly on the device. A workaround is to log into your Google account on a personal, unrestricted device and clear your synced history from there. For future browsing, always consider using private browsing modes, such as incognito in Chrome or in private in Edge, as these modes do not save your browsing history or cookies. If you encounter any issues, here are some troubleshooting tips. First, if your watch or phone was previously paired, remove any old connections from both your Suunto's paired devices list and your iPhone's Bluetooth settings. Next, verify that the Suunto app has permission to access Bluetooth in your iPhone's privacy settings. If problems persist, try restarting both your Suunto Spartan and your iPhone. Finally, ensure the older Suunto MoveAccount app is not installed, as it can interfere with the current Suunto app.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.